So IriusRisk, firstly, as a company, we provide a really collaborative approach to working with our customers. We want their feedback, we want to know how they are doing threat modeling, and we want to help them solve that with a platform and with a tool.
We've been building applications and building systems for a very long time. Now, for developers and engineers who've had a background in security, it makes sense to spend some time at the beginning of that process, building it securely for the first time.
We first started working with Pearson some time ago when they were already doing threat modeling.
So we were evaluating other tools in the space, and based on our criteria and requirements, Irius came out on top. That was predominantly because it had the flexibility for us to define our own custom risk libraries, and it had an API where we could integrate our existing security testing.
The fact that we had a very powerful rules engine which they could tweak and they could change in order to generate the threat models they wanted to see, I think was a key feature that helped them make the decision to choose us.
The two main problems we needed to solve was being able to ensure we were doing threat modeling consistently and with good quality across all of our product teams that we're supporting, and also reduce the man hours it took to carry out a manual threat modeling activity.
One of the things that we were able to help them with was taking that manual process and offering them through having a centralized platform and having a flexible platform delivered via our SaaS solution. They were able to take that manual threat modeling process and apply their own frameworks and methodologies.
So the SaaS nature of the platform was attractive, as we didn't need to self-host it, and it fit well with us being a globally distributed team.
So IriusRisk has been so good so far as far as developing new control libraries. Pearson is a global company, and we have about pretty much any technology that you can think of under the sun, we are using one way or the other. So the way that we are using IriusRisk helps us in the sense that we can go to IriusRisk and say, okay, here are the new technologies, we may need a new control library for this, and they're helping us in that aspect.
Two of the things that IriusRisk was able to offer Pearson over our competitors was our flexibility and our scale. IriusRisk is a very flexible platform that enabled Pearson to take their wide range of threat intelligence that was already established before we started working with them, and enabled them to implement that in what is a centralized solution that then becomes a central repository for all of their threat modeling. We also were able to offer them the scale to ensure that there is no upper limit on where they will be able to take their threat modeling in the future.
The data from IriusRisk helps us tremendously to quantify that overall risk and help us kind of tell that message and where do we need to go and what should be our goal and how do we get there. It's very traceable.
So overall, for the business, I think what we've brought them is the ability to have more assurance in the quality of the software that they're building because it is secure.
So Irius built trust by being easily contactable and very responsive when we did have any queries, and the openness for us to influence their product roadmap with any specific functionality or features that we needed.
One of the key benefits that IriusRisk provides as a platform is its customizability and its flexibility. So we really focus on being able to give our customers that flexible platform that will adapt to how they want to do threat modeling, and so that they're getting the output from our tool that they want to see for their engineering teams.
IriusRisk is the go-to platform for organizations who are looking to scale their threat modeling processes. And because of our experience with the community, we're also the right partner to help you get there.